Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with you about Garmin's popular Venu series of smartwatches. While the Vivo Active series might be stepping back, the Venu series is stepping up to the plate, gearing up for a new generation that promises style, functionality and innovation. This time around, Garmin is expected to bring even more improvements to the table. The upcoming Venu 3 is rumored to come in 2 sizes, just like its predecessor, appealing to different wrist sizes and preferences. We will dive into what we know so far about the upcoming Venu 3, its features improvements, and how it aims to compete with the giants of the smartwatch world. So without further ado, let's get started. Since its inception, the Venu series has been making waves in the smartwatch world, offering stylish design and vibrant AMOLED. The Venu 3 could potentially capture the hearts of those who seek a smartwatch that marries form and functionality seamlessly. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the release date, and be sure to subscribe to Tech Aware for the latest news, reviews, and insights into the world of wearable technology. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. There's still room for innovation. Rumors suggest the potential addition of nighttime VST measurement for insights into health and well-being. Additionally, fans of wireless charging might be in for a treat, as this convenient feature could make its debut in the Venu series, following the example set by the Vivo Mood Trend model. As we eagerly await the arrival of the Venu 3, it is clear that government is determined to refine and elevate its Venu series with a focus on style, functionality, and innovation. One of the standout features could be the introduction of the 5th-generation optical sensor, promising even more accurate health and fitness tracking. This new generation is also likely to incorporate a chipset seen in the other Garmin models, like the Phoenix 7 and the Foreigner and Instinct 2, which could lead to enhanced performance and longer battery life. While the Venu series doesn't focus solely on intense sports and fitness features like some other government lines, it carves its niche as a stylish smartwatch that competes with the likes of Apple and Samsung. Its emphasis on design, a display, and urban appeal makes it a smart choice for those seeking a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Although advanced training features like training load status and readiness might not be the main focus of the Venu series,